Hello everyone. Today, we will look at the DIY proof of concept project AI powered gesture detection using Edge Impulse, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. As we all know, AI can track movements in smartwatches, find problems in machines, and even predict how vehicles will behave. But what if we can make all this on a small device, like the IndusBoard coin? Let's talk about how we made a simple model to detect gestures on the tiny 3 cm IndusBoard coin. This model can recognize movements from devices like smartwatches, phones, and fitness trackers. It works well on the small board, using very little memory and storage while still being good at AI tasks. So, how do we train the AI model? That's where Edge Impulse helps. This online tool lets us gather data, train a model, and put it directly onto the IndusBoard. To start, just log into Edge Impulse or create your account. Then, install the Edge Impulse data forwarder on your PC. It works with all types of operating systems. This project can be developed by individuals with experience in AI or ML, embedded systems, and microcontroller programming. Specifically, makers, hobbyists, or engineers with knowledge of tools like Edge Impulse for machine learning, Arduino IDE for programming, and working with sensors can develop this project. Ready to find out how it works? Here is our setup. This is the IndusBoard. Currently, it is running an AI model on the edge. So right now, it is not connected to the internet. You can see the gesture prediction output here on the serial monitor. It is predicting my next gesture. When I move the board up, the prediction increases to 82%. Now I move the board towards the right, so the prediction of the right increases to 93%. It is simply predicting my next gesture. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. IndusBoard coin acts as the brain of this project. It has a built-in LSM303 sensor that detects motion and uses AI to process the data. It is small and can run machine learning models on devices with low power and memory. A USB-C cable connects the IndusBoard coin to a computer for power, data transfer, and programming. There is no circuit to build up as everything is running on the IndusBoard itself. First of all, create an Edge Impulse account and install Edge Impulse CLI on your PC. Next, we will write code on Arduino IDE for the IndusBoard coin to collect the gesture responses and send them to the Edge for processing. In Edge Impulse, go to Data Acquisition, click Start Sampling, perform the gesture, label it, and collect data. Then choose Impulse Design based on sensor data and select ML model type to design the AI model. The next step is to train and test the model. Deploy the model on IndusBoard coin. Write a new code in Arduino IDE to recognize gestures based on how the IndusBoard coin moves. The board is now using the AI model for making predictions, as shown in the serial monitor. Voila, it works. So, what did you learn? How to run AI on small devices with limited power. How to use the IndusBoard coin and its sensors. How to collect data, train a model, and use it with Edge Impulse. Interested in developing your own AI-powered gesture detection project? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.